Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So day 3 on our Diamond Painting Deutschland advent calendar and day 3 on our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation advent calendar. So this is a little square package. Sounds a bit tinny, a little bit rattly as well. So yeah, definitely sounds like something rattling in a tin. So let's see what we got. We'll just move this one out the way for now. And let's see. So this is a small packet. A small bag to keep, not a big bag to keep. Hope all the ladies that have got theirs are enjoying their Diamond Painting Deutschland advent calendars. The lady that was waiting for hers that should have been delivered yesterday did get delivered. Yes! So there's quite a few of us now opening these up. I am posting them at 7:30 at night though, so hopefully no spoilers and you'll get to open yours before I open mine. Oh, it's definitely a tin. Oh, and it's a Christmas tin. Okay, what's in this one? So we've got, let's take it out of the packet first, Liz. There's no point in looking at it through the plastic, is there? Silly me. So we've got some stars and some little Christmas lights on the bottom. And we've got little Christmas lights going round. Oh, and it's got a handle. Oh, and this one does say Merry Christmas. So this isn't in German, this is in English. And a very fluffy Santa on the front. He's got very little arms, look. Wow, but look at that little face. That's really cute. So this is a nice little tin that's a basket. That's awesome. I don't think I've ever seen a tin with a handle like that. That's awesome. Wow. Oh, it's a real dinky little doodah. I like this. I do like tins and storage and things. I'm terrible when I get chocolates or anything like that. Oh, chocolates. I could just eat one now. No, I couldn't. It's too early in the morning. No. Yeah, when I get anything, biscuits or anything, I'm always a sucker for keeping the tins. I do have to do a bit of a cull every now and again though and send them to the charity shop. But yeah, on the whole, I have a lot of tins. So, oh my goodness. Wow. We have a lot of the new style multi-placers and elbow placers and straighteners. Oh my goodness me. Let's have a look. I was going to say let me get a tray, but I'll use the tin lid. So there is a lot in here. Right, so these are 9 places. That's a 9. And is that a 9? Yeah. So, oops, let's put this to, oh look, everything's collapsing now. Here's me trying to do a bit of decoration, look, to make it a bit more festive, and everything decides to jump off the table. Dear, typical Liz. Now then, yeah, they do actually say on them 9 places. So, and that one is an 11. Oh, I don't know if I've got an 11. That's a very large one. That one's 9 as well. Just wanting to see how many we've got, whether they've just sort of put a random number in or whether they've put them in as a, oh, that's an 8. I don't think you normally get like 3, 6 and 9, don't you, if you get packets and things. So, and then these are all 3s, I believe. Oh no, the 4s. So have they just sort of like gone into a bag and picked a handful out? Or are they? Yeah, if you look really, really closely, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. You do have, it might do, it's focusing on my nails, which are appalling. Don't look at my nails. Yeah, it does. Most of them now do have numbers on. And these are the smaller ones. So you do get, well, they do tend to pick the gems up a little bit better. You used to get the really big fat ones, and they were quite difficult to use because you couldn't get them in between the gems quite so well. So yeah, when you were doing lines. What's that one then? That's not a 4. That one is a 5. So yes, some very unusual sizes. I think I'd have sooner had a set if I'm going to get places. I think a set would be better. But and then we've got 1, 2 elbow placers. I'm not quite sure why they would give you, well, I suppose they're the plastic ones rather than the brass tips. We've got a large straightener And are these all 4s? Yeah. I think the 4s are one of the most popular one, so that is possibly why they've put a lot of 4s in. So we've got 9 of the 4 places, a 5 placer, and did I say that was an 8 placer, which I very rarely get. 4 of your 9 places, and then 2 11 places, which again are very different. I think they go up to about 17 now, don't they, the places? So what have we got? Alternate 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, it does feel as though they've just dipped into a bag and pulled out a random number. The other ladies that have got this advent calendar, I'd be interested to know if you got the same thing in your box and if you got the same number. I know, I'm sad I count them. So I like the tin, and the multi-placers, to be fair, I don't really use, and if I do use them, I tend to use the metal ones. But I would suggest that there's about £2 worth of things here. £1 for the tin, maybe. I would think like the dollar store or the pound shops would possibly sell those. £2 maybe. I mean, if you went into somewhere like Marks and Spencer's, then yeah, that would probably be about £5 or £6. Quite nice if it had chocolates in. Back on the chocolates again. The multi-placers tend to be things that you get free with the kits, or you'll buy a pen that's a couple of dollars, a couple of pounds, and it will have a set of multi-placers in it. So yeah, not worth the money this morning, but the other 2 things have definitely been worth the money. So it will be interesting to see how it works out. So we've had 2 hits and 1 miss out of 3 days. Now, I say it's a miss. I'm just saying it's a miss because I don't think it's worth the money. But was it exciting to open? Yes, because I do like little dinky little doodads, you know me. I do like my little cute things. And I'm sure I can find something to put in there to give to somebody as a Christmas present. Yes, I might actually give this away. Oh, shock horror. But yeah, okay, what else could they have put in it? See, with it being a small tin, I suppose really you couldn't have put much else in it. I suppose maybe some wax or a cover minder or something. But yeah, okay, yeah, I'm going to call this one a miss, but only for the value side of it. It's a hit for the little tin. I think that is cute, and I think, you know, advent calendars, you take your chances anyway. I mean, there's that huge advent calendar, isn't there? Is it a Lindt chocolate one that's £180? And when somebody's worked out the value of the things inside it, it's like, I think £100 worth of chocolate or £80 worth of chocolate, you know, if you went and bought all the things separately that are in it. And yeah, paying like £80 or £100 just for it being in an advent calendar box is pretty horrendous. So yeah, on the whole, okay, we will see what tomorrow brings, and hopefully it won't be some more multi-placers. To be honest, I tend to, when I do my mystery boxes or my giveaways and things, I tend to put a couple of these in with people's parcels because I know a lot of people do use them. The straighteners are handy. I have used the straighteners in the past. But yeah, on the whole, I don't multi-place. I mean, I mainly do special drills anyway. But when I'm doing my big pictures, I find I can go so much quicker just using a single placer rather than a multi-placer. I have tried it and I will try it again. Yeah, I know a lot of people swear by it, but we'll see. But yeah, so bit of fun. Something a little bit different this morning. So rather than diamond painting cards and a diamond painting, we got a tin and some multi-placers. Actually, it might have been handy if they'd have put a pen in first. Do you think? Is it just me being picky? Yes, because if you've not got a pen, and I suppose if you're diamond painting, most kits, I would say 99.9% of kits come with a toolkit, unless you say you don't want it, which means you've already got a pen. But yeah, maybe a pen would have been handy to go with it, so at least you've got somewhere to put them. Right, so let us have a look at Christmas Vacation. And I'm getting comments from people saying they've never seen this film. Oh my goodness me. Yeah, if you've got a similar sense of humour to myself and my hubby and Even Millie likes watching it. I'll see if I can dig out the clip of Millie. Oh, mind you, I probably won't be able to play it because of copyright. But yeah, when the dog is chasing the squirrel around the house, Millie chases the squirrel across the TV backwards and forwards. It's really quite funny to watch. So yeah, I'll see what I can do. I might be able to put a little tiny snippet of it in. I don't know. I'll probably get demonetised or something silly for doing that. But anyway. So let us have a look at day number 3. As I say, this is the strangest advent calendar I've ever had, where they're all in number order, so I don't have to go hunting for the characters or the little numbers. They are already there. So let us see. And it'll be interesting to see what hubby's got in his this morning. He's not opened it yet. Okie doke. So what is this one? What is this one? What is that? Oh, that... That's Aunt Clara's Jello. Yeah, yeah, it does look a bit like a dog bed, to be fair, but it is the green Jello that Aunt Clara, this is Aunt Clara, wraps up. I'm telling you the story. You won't need to watch the film by the time I've finished opening this advent calendar. Yeah, she's an old lady and she's rather forgetful, and she hasn't got any presents for anybody, so she wraps the cat in one box with Chevy Chase doing the thing with the cat in the box, and there isn't a real cat in the box, don't worry. And then the other one is she wraps a green Jello in one of the presents, so she's brought that as well. So yeah, but they do have it on the table later on as well. Whether it's the same one or not, I'm not quite sure, but yeah. So that's that one. Oh dear me, that's really, really funny. Oh, brilliant. Okay, so well, just a quick video today. As I say, some of them will be quick videos depending on what we get. Yeah, there's not really a lot I can say about a little tin and multiplaces. We've had a little bit of a chat about them as well, so yay. Okay, well, thank you for all your comments again. I am trying to keep up with answering you all, and I'm glad that people are enjoying coming along and seeing what we've got. Yes. Okay, well, that's me done for today. There'll be another video at 8 o'clock of just some completions that I've done, so keep an eye out for those as well. But yeah, so thank you for joining me. If you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what tomorrow brings and see what we get next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, there's an all notifications bell that pops up, and clicking on that just sends you a notification. Liz has uploaded a new video. Do you want to come and see it? And hopefully you'll say yes. Okay, well, I'm having my eyes tested this afternoon. Oh my goodness. So thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.